Swinging in today with a quick tutorial how to send a Squarespace form to multiple email addresses. This is an easy one. Strange that they don't give you this functionality, but I've got a workaround and I'm about to share it. So I'll start on a Squarespace website where I've got a contact form. This is a contact page. Obviously, you've encountered the challenge that when you go to add multiple addresses, for example, to send this information, you'll notice that Squarespace only allows you to input one email address under the storage, okay? So that's a bit of a challenge, but I'm gonna teach you a little workaround for this. When you go over to your email, I want you to look at something closely. Let's say, for example, you put your own email address as the recipient of that contact form. You'll see that the email is sent to you from this address. It's form-submission@squarespace.info. I'll put that on the screen so you can see it. This little piece of information is very important for the next step. Now, these instructions are specifically for people that use Google Mail. If you use another provider, I can't give you instructions because there's lots of other ones out there. This is the most popular, so this is also what I use, and so these are the instructions I'm going to give you. What you'll want to do first is go to your settings. So you want to click this gear wheel and then click See All Settings. I'll go ahead and open that up. You will then want to go to Filters and Blocked Addresses, that tab up at the top, and from there you'll click Create New Filter. Now, when we click this, you'll want to basically create a filter, and a filter is going to be an action based on a certain result, okay? So in this case, we would want to enter the from address. So in this case, I copied and pasted that URL that I gave you, form-submission@squarespace.info. That is the forwarding address of Squarespace contact forms. You want to enter that into the from field. Don't click search, that would search your inbox. Instead, we want to create filter. Go ahead and click this. Now we select the action. So basically you're telling this filter when an email is received from this address, you want to forward it to someone else. Now I've got some preset emails of people on my team that Google is recognizing obviously automatically. You will want to add a forwarding address if you don't see that here. Okay, so again, the address is form-submission@squarespace.info. That's where the contact form comes from. You'll want to forward this either to someone in the dropdown or someone that you can add by clicking Add Forwarding Address. And that is how you forward that contact inquiry or form submission that can only go to one person. That's a little workaround. So there you go. That's how to send a Squarespace form to multiple email addresses. If you've got any lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. I respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps others discover these videos that I work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm sharing a few videos that I think you'll be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.